So what's going on YouTube? A few videos ago, I was at the junkyard and I was getting a caprice and looking for parts. I ended up buying the whole caprice and here it is. It's finally at my house. So there she is in all her glory. So after getting the car all leveled out, trying to see what we have here, I was just gonna part it out, but I think with the two that I have, because this one I got out of the junkyard and this one I got off Facebook Marketplace, this thing is a real piece of crap. But yeah, with what I have between the two, it looks like I may have just about everything except the transmission and a transmission mount, but everything else seems like it's there. You know, going around the car, find more and more things that are messed up on it, but you know, for what it is, I'm glad I still saved it from the junkyard. This would make a good drag car or something. LS swap it, throw those doors from that shit box over there on this one and get the going. So I'll do a little walk around real quick and show you what it is. You can hear one of my neighbors in the background busting caps. No gas tank in it. They cut the axle off, but the other car has an axle and a gas tank. The drive shaft's in the back. I don't know what's up on the floor right now, but I'll take a look at that here eventually. I don't know if there's shit on the floor or what. There's no strikers, it looks like, on the doors. Tried to pop the hood, but it's rusty, so I put some WD-40 on there. So I don't even know what's going on under there yet. See a radiator and an engine, but it doesn't look like there's a transmission. This panel is good. Lenses are good. It's dirty as hell. Trunk lid's rusted. Yeah, the trunk lid is rusty. Holy shit. Okay, the hubcaps are here, the bezels, trim rings. It's only 3 hubcaps. 3 locks, the key, the shroud. So I mean, all said and done, this is what I'm working with. Seems like I said, we got everything except the transmission and a transmission mount. The other car has a gas tank, this one doesn't. So I mean, we probably throw a whole car together out of the one. Not really sure if this one has a positive end or not. I was trying to mess with it earlier, but got it hooked up. It's really hard to tell. So if you want to see what I do with these cars, or you have a suggestion of what I should do with this white car, leave a message and maybe I'll do it. I don't know. But it's 86. Got that unique front end on there. Euro tails. It's alright. They'll give me a couple pieces for my main car. Little Mia wanting to run out and look at the cars. Ran right past me.
Yeah, step over the stick. Yeah.
She likes watching car shows.
Come on. That's the hill. There you go. Good job.
I just wouldn't let her touch it. It's pretty gross.
Yeah, that's a car. Mia, say car. Say car. That's the brake drops. Car. Don't touch. Don't touch, baby.
It's dirty.
It's dirty, very dirty here. Let's just stand back and look at it, okay?
It's stabilized now at least. I still haven't been able to open the hood. I put some WD-40 on the hinges. I was just looking at it and videoing it for my YouTube channel. You guys came out perfect time. No, don't touch it. Don't touch it. It's dirty. It's dirty.
You want to walk around and look at it?
Here, let's look at the front.
Here, let's look at the front.
Go over here.
Come on. This way.
She wants to get in it.
Hold on to Mommy's hand. She does not let her coins.
She got her
Keep
coins.
going.
She's like, I got my money. I'm buying this, Daddy. This is my caprice. You buying the caprice?
No. Leave the dirt. It's dirty.
Or you just want to come up here and play because Daddy up here all the time? Like and subscribe. Later.